Hello everyone, let me introducing myself first. My name is Gernia Desirianes. You can call me Gernia and my NPM is 244111114. So today we want to talk about the definition of the problem pits. Introduction of problem pits. Problem pits is initial stakes in the presenting a startup idea, where the entrepreneur clearly explains the real problem that exists in society, industry, or specific market segment. In context of technopreneurship, identifying and communication the problem effectively is extremely important because technological innovation should always start from the real need rather than from technology itself. A strong problem pitch helps the audience, as an investor, lecturers, or potential user, and understand why the issue of the significant and why it deserves attention and solution. Therefore, problem pitch is not as simply about stating complaint and objectively, but about the presenting a clear, accurate, and convincing explanation of the exciting problem that has meaningful impact on people or business. 2. Characteristic of good problem. Not every is able to be developed into technopreneurship opportunity, which is why the entrepreneurs must be able to identify problems that have strong characteristics and significant impact. A good problem usually affects a large number of people and occurs rapidly and creates innovations or develops in everyday activities. In addition, the problem should be specific and clearly defined so that audience can easily understand the situation and its consequence. When presenting a problem pitch, entrepreneur should avoid vague statement and instead focus on concrete situation, support by example, observation, or simply data that shows that the problem is real and relevant. 3. Element of an effective problem pitch. As an effective problem pitch usually contains several key elements that help the audience understand the situation more clearly and quickly. First of all, the entrepreneur should identify what experience the problem, often referred to as the target of user or customer segment. Second, the entrepreneur needs to explain the situation or context in which the problem occurs. Third, the entrepreneur should describe the negative impact or consequence caused by the problem, such as the inefficiency, financial or limited access or inconvenience. By presenting this element in the structure way, the problem pitch becomes more persuasive and allow the audience to emotionally and logically connect with the issue being presented. 4. Example of problem pitch and technopreneurship. To better understand the concept of problem pitch, it's helpful to look at a simple example in context of technopreneurship. For instance, in many rural actuarial areas, farmers often struggle to sell their product at the fair price because they rely heavily on the middleman and have limited access to border markets. As a result, even though agricultural product is high, farmers might still have reserve low income due to weak bargaining power and lack of market information. This situation illustrates a clear problem of a effect that a specific group of people and creates the economic inefficiency. When such a problem presents effectively in problem pits, it opens to opportunity for technological situation such as digital marketplace, agricultural platform, or information system. They can connect farmers directly with buyers. In conclusion, a problem pitch is a crucial step in technopreneurship because every successful innovation begins with the depth understanding for real problems. By clearly identifying who experienced the problem, explaining with the situation in which it occurs, and describing the impact it creates, entrepreneurs can build a strong foundation for presenting their startup ideas. A well-delivered problem pitch understand the urgency of the issue but also prepares them to appreciate the solution that will propose later. Therefore, mastering the ability to communicate and problem effectively is an essential skill for every aspiring to technopreneurship.